this video, we're going to use flash fill and VLOOKUPs to solve a very interesting problem. So in our first worksheet, need state, we've got account numbers. And then in the second worksheet, we've got the account numbers and the state listed. So for example, if you look in C5 at the first worksheet, we've got an account number. And it looks like that same account number is in row 32. They look the same, but they're actually not the same. So we do a VLOOKUP, it's going to screw up. So let's just talk a little bit more about that. So if I copy what's in the first worksheet, okay, now are these equal? I could say equals this, and they're not equal. Okay, why might they not be equal? They look the same. Well, invisible characters, if you remember a few videos ago. Take the length of this one, it's 13. Take the length of this one, how many characters? I think you get 12. So there must be some characters stuck on the end. Okay, so now I did a little bit of fiddling with this and I found it was character 32. God knows what that is. Find, so use the find function. If I say find character 32 in this cell, starting at the first character, hey, it's there. So character 32, if you search for it, is an invisible character. Okay, so we need to get rid of that. So you could basically take the left-handmost 12 characters from here, and that should probably get rid of it, but I'm going to insert a column. I'm just going to use flash fill. I think that'll be easier. So let's say no invisible character. So if I basically just type this in here, 00010-01 06, and then hit enter, it's got it. And now if I look at the length there, I bet it's 12. Okay, and if I try and find that invisible character, it is gone. Okay, so this should work great. So now I can do a VLOOKUP. Now I believe that there's some account numbers in the first list that are not on the second list, so I should probably do an if error in case that happens. Maybe have to manually find those account numbers somewhere else. So do an if error with a VLOOKUP, and based on this, and it would be this range, pull it from the second column. And it's got to be a false, I'm sure. Okay, so we're missing something there. So the question is, if that doesn't work, we would put in can't find, I guess. I don't know. So let's look at that formula and copy it down. Okay, now let's just, well, there it is, can't find. So that's an account number that is not on the second list, but we've now found what the state is for all 500 or so plus rows by quickly flash fill, delete that invisible character, but we had to know it was there. So this is actually based on a real example that a former student sent me from a company where her VLOOKUP function did not work because of that invisible character.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.